Good day, my dear students. In primary 6, we're going to continue explaining lesson 3, the volume of a cube. We know that when the dimension of the cuboid are equal, then we call this is cuboid, we're going to call it the cube. So the cube is a cuboid, but all the dimensions are equal. And the dimension here, I mean the length and the width and the height. So when the three dimensions are equal, we're going to call it the cube. And we're going to call the dimension the edge length, or the side length of the cube, So to calculate the volume of the cube, all you have to do is to multiply the side length time itself. So again, the volume of the cube equal side times side times side. Because the sides are equal and the edges are equal in length, so we're going to multiply them by itself. So we have 5 cases to find the volume of the cube. We have 5 cases. The first case is when he gives you the edge length. All you have to do is to multiply the edge length time itself, or side times side times side. This is so easy, and we're going to have exercise for each of these cases to practice about them later. Okay, so the second case here, when he gave you the perimeter of the base, all you have to do is to divide the perimeter by 4 to get the side length, and then to calculate the volume, just multiply, very good, side times side times side. The third case here, when he gave you the area of one face of the cube, all you have to do is to take the square root of the area to get the side, and then to calculate the volume by multiplying side times side times side. The fourth case is here, when he gives you the sum of edges of the length. So you're going to take the sum of these edges, the number that he's going to give you in the exercise, you're going to divide it by 12 to get the side, and when you have the side, you're going to multiply the side by itself to calculate the volume. So my dear student, the idea here is to find the side length. For the cube, or find the edge length of the cube to calculate its volume. Okay, the last case here, when he gives you the total area of the cube. And my dear student, you have studied that the cube has 6 faces, and they are equal in area. So when he gives you the total area, you're going to take the number that he gave you, the total area, divided by 6 to get the area of one face. Then when you have the area of one face, this is like the third case here, you're going to make the square root of the area to get the side, and then the volume of the cube equals side times side times side. So I'm going to give you exercise about each of these cases to just make you help to understand how to solve exercise about the volume of the cube. So let's start our exercise to calculate the volume of the cube. The first one here, find the volume of the cube with edge length equal 8 centimeter. He gave you the edge length here, so this is the first case that I told you about. So when he gave you the edge length, you're going to multiply it by itself to calculate or to find the volume of the cube. So here the edge length is 8 centimeter. So I'm going to write the rule. The volume of the cube equals side times side times side. So 8 times 8 times 8, that will give me 512 cubic centimeter. Okay, this is the first case. Another exercise, find the volume of the cube that he gave you the area of one face. To calculate the side here, all you have to do is take the root of the area, and that will give you the side length. So the root of 47, my dear student, the mean of the root, that the number that I will multiply by itself, that will give me 49. So 7 times 7 equal 49. So the side length here equal 7 centimeter. This is the side. So you can find the volume now just by multiplying the side times the side times the side. That will give you 343 cubic centimeter. Okay, another idea with another exercise. Find the volume of the cube if its perimeter is 40 centimeter. I told you, when he give you the perimeter, all you have to do is to make the perimeter divide by 4 to get the side length. So the perimeter here is 40 centimeter. I'm going to make it divide by 4. Very good. That will give me 10 centimeter. My dear student, 10 centimeter here is the side length of the cube. So to get the volume, yes, multiplying side times side times side. So 10 times 10 times 10, that will give me 1000 square centimeter. Okay, another idea. Find the volume of the cube, but he gave you now the sum of its edges is 96 centimeter. This is the sum of the edges. And you have studied that the cube has 12 edges, 12 equal edges. So the first is to find the edge length. I want only one edge length. So I will divide 96 divided by 12. That will give me, very good, that will give me 8 centimeter. Now all you have to do is to take this side or take this edge and multiply it by itself 3 times. That will give you the volume of the cube. So 8 times 8 times 8, that will give me 512 cubic centimeter. Okay, going to have also another exercise. Find the volume of a cube. If you know that the total area equal 54. These are the total area of the 6 faces of the cube. So I want the area of one face. I want only the area of one face. So I will take area of one face. I will divide 54 divided by 6 because this is the total number of the faces of the cube, and that will give me 9. 9 here is not the side. 9 here is the area of one face. This is the area of one face. So all you have to do now is take the root of the area, square root 9. That will give me 3. Or think about which number I will multiply by itself. That will give me 9. So you said, Miss, 3 times 3 equal 9. So the side length here equal 3. Now we can calculate the volume of the cube just by multiplying side times side times side. So 3 times 3 times 3, that will give me 27 square cubic square. Okay, another exercise. He wanted to find the volume of the cube. He gave you the volume of the cube, not to calculate it. He gave you the volume of the cube equal 27 cubic centimeter. And he wants you to find the edge. This is something that you're going to use your calculator by just, you're going to, something that shift root. You're going to find in your calculator, shift root. That will give you the cubic root of 27. So the cubic root of 27, that the number that multiplied by itself 3 times, and it will give you 27. So 3 times 3 times 3, that will give you 27. So the cubic root of 27 equal 3 centimeter. Okay. Okay. This is the last exercise that we have here to calculate the volume of the cube. If the volume of the cube 125 cubic centimeter, find the area of one face. So to get the edge length, all you have to do is by using your calculator, shift root, that will give me the cubic root of the volume to get the edge. So shift root, and you're going to put 125. Okay, that will give you 5 centimeter. This is the edge length. But he asked you to find the area of only one face. We know that area of one face equal side times side. So 5 times 5, that will give me 25 square centimeter. Okay, by the end of this, we get to the end of this explaining the lesson. I hope you understand it. I hope you practice, and see you next time, my dear student. Goodbye, and God bless you, all of you. Okay, goodbye.